The third eye, its Sanskrit name, Anya, meaning to perceive or command. Unblocking and activating the third eye is an absolutely essential step on our journey towards realizing our inner power and also psychic abilities. See, it's a reminder that these abilities are inherently part of our human experience, and embracing them can lead to a profound spiritual awakening. Now, along with its indigo or deep purple color, there are signs of blocks that if we recognize, we can then unblock. So some of these blocks would be lack of clarity, confusion, narrow-mindedness, or even skepticism. Now, these blocks are specifically the opposite of the third eye's purpose: intuition, imagination, clarity, wisdom, perception. Among the various energy centers in our body, the third eye holds a particular fascination due to its unique ability to perceive beyond the boundaries of our everyday reality. So the third eye, often associated with clairvoyance and clear vision, grants us the capability to glimpse dimensions beyond the physical realm. It's intrinsically linked to the pineal gland, a remarkable organ known for its profound spiritual significance. The center, often referred to as the seat of the soul, carries a deep historical connection, even being cryptically called the Ark of the Covenant in, occult circles. Such symbolism highlights its pivotal role in not only connecting us with our spiritual essence, but also in facilitating our understanding of time and space. Welcome to the channel. My name is Dre. I'm a meditation coach. I have a free gift for you for stopping by, for taking the time to really be determined about your growth. I have a free guided meditation. It's right there in the description. I'll pin it to the comments. Take it, use it, drop a comment, tell me what you think. Thanks for stopping by. The brain's third ventricle, often symbolized as the Ark of the Covenant, is a doorway to time travel capability. So our cranial cavities, including the pineal and pituitary glands, they function as sort of antennas, receiving and transmitting subtle waveforms. The third eye at 852 hertz. Now, the third ventricle in the brain serves as the accumulation of occult anatomy in the central nervous system. This enables us to transverse dimensions and realities. So consider our brain's cavities as sort of portholes that receive and transmit information. The pineal gland, in particular, plays a crucial role in our journey through time, which hints at its hidden potential as a highly advanced form of time travel technology. Now, Dr. Dispenza talks about this quite a lot, and you may wonder, in a sense, if we are already time travelers as we navigate our lives, continually seeking our place in space and time. The nervous system acts as our personal astronaut suit, guiding us through the space-time continuum. Our third eye center is an integral part of our spiritual awakening journey. Yet, before we dive into unblocking the center, I think we should understand why it's remained so concealed. The history of mysticism, often associated with esoteric knowledge, has frequently run parallel to and intertwined with religious doctrines. Religions have historically adopted aspects of mysticism. They've bended its practices and knowledge to fit their belief systems, thereby suppressing the full expression of our mystical experiences. Now, this suppression has transcended both Eastern and Western civilizations. Operating from our higher centers and embracing our intuitive powers was historically fraught with severe consequences. Consequently, we've inherited a deep-seated fear of activating these centers. To unlock the potential of the third eye, we must first recognize this historical backdrop and its impact on our subconscious fears. Our ability to activate the third eye depends on our perceived safety in doing so. So this historic fear often runs so deep that we might not consciously realize it. We could be subconsciously desiring an ability we're inadvertently afraid of due to past circumstances, leading to mental blockage. It is crucial to note that many of us come into this life with an open third eye. But merely being open is not the same as being fully activated or even realized. Now, another significant hurdle is the logical programming we've adopted in our logic-driven world. Achieving balance between our logical and intuitive faculties is essential. So the third eye's activation, it really relies on an equilibrium between these two hemispheres. In our modern, intellect-driven society, it is common for the logical mind to overpower our intuitive senses. Achieving balance involves recognizing when the intellect is a sort of stifling our intuition, typically manifesting as, self-doubt. We must acknowledge this dynamic and ensure that our intuition isn't suppressed or by excessive self-doubt is crucial for activating the third eye. Acknowledging this dynamic and ensuring that our intuition isn't suppressed by, excessive self-doubt is crucial for activating the third eye. Furthermore, the third eye, it doesn't require us to completely eliminate self-doubt. So when it's open and active, the intellect, it may continue to cast doubt on mystical experiences. So this is acceptable as long as we don't grant the intellect too much power. Logic may question mystical experiences, but it doesn't invalidate them. Very important. Now, as our third eye opens, we have both subtle, less prominent experiences, but validating these experiences is essential to train the center to remain open and active. Overcoming self-doubt is an absolutely important step in using the third eye effectively. So, not everyone will experience clairvoyance at the same level. So it depends on an individual's soul contracts and journeys. Comparing our clairvoyance to that of others is unnecessary, as everyone's journey is unique. While some may fully embrace clairvoyance, others may experience more, subtle yet significant intuitive abilities. A significant paradox surrounds the third eye's activation. It's closely linked to achieving a state of consciousness known as oneness. I'm sure you've heard this term. If you're interested in a guided meditation where you can truly find that oneness, I have a free inner sanctuary meditation. I'll pin it to the comments. It's in the description. Grab it. It's free. It is the place where we begin to actually unblock these centers, especially the third eye. Operating from this state naturally opens the third eye as consciousness transcends the boundaries of our reality. Now, first and foremost, the primary method that I use to unblock the third eye is raising our consciousness to the state of oneness. Achieving the state where we recognize our interconnectedness with all existence automatically activates the third eye. Empathic individuals, you know who you are, who sense the experiences of others are already kind of half open toward realizing oneness. Their awareness of interconnectedness of all beings is a step towards enlightenment. One key block to the third eye's activation, it's the belief that we've been abandoned by a higher power. Past traumas and persecution can lead to this fear and belief. It's important to remember that we are that higher power. We are the I am. Now, to unblock the third eye, we can shift our perspective and consider that we are not abandoned, but rather we assist the light in anchoring itself in our reality. There are many ways and tools that we can use to activate and unblock the third eye. Two that I have found that have worked wonders for me are sensory deprivation tanks. They create the absolute ideal environment for enhancing third eye activity because it calms our senses. Additionally, we can use the energy center in our palms to cleanse the pineal gland and third eye. This process involves channeling energy from the heart into the third eye and intending to clear any ancestral programming, traumas, beliefs, and implants within that center. Don't get it wrong, unblocking and activating our third eye is essential to our journey. Realizing our inner power and psychic abilities is a reminder that these abilities are inherently part of our human experience. If you're interested in a guided meditation where you can truly find that oneness, I have a free inner sanctuary meditation. I'll pin it to the comments. It's in the description. Grab it. It's free. It is the place where we begin to actually unblock these centers, especially the third eye. Thank you for watching, my friend. I will see you in the next video.